Tides of dreams will come and go, soft as rivers they will flow. In your mind's a peaceful scene, gentle thoughts so pure, serene. Sleep, sleep, now it's time to dream. Underneath the night's soft gleam. Sleep, sleep, let the world fade in your bed till daylight's trade. Quiet night, the world is still. Feel the calm, the gentle thrill. Crickets sing their nighttime song, echoes where they all belong. Whispered winds, they hum so low. Into dreams you softly flow. Through the night till morning smile. Rest in peace for just a while. Sleep, sleep, now it's time to dream.